This one's definitely off the beaten path. It's the Eagle Cliff Falls in Havana Glen Park. All the way in the back, you follow a little path, go up some stairs, walk through the woods, and then it opens up into this beautiful little swimming hole with the falls coming down. It's all open to walk around. This is definitely a fun one. You can walk around, play in the water. In fact, you can go right to the falls, climb the rocks, and cool off on a hot summer day under the Eagle Cliff Falls.